three, let's go!
Hey guys, this is Harshla. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by Hailey Pham. I absolutely love her content and I can't tell you, I mean, how I wish that sort of content worked in India. I really don't know if this video would do any well or no, but I genuinely really wanted to do this video, so hence I'm doing it, which is Instagram experiment wherein we both will find out together what gets you more likes on Instagram, which is really cool. I think I also create content for my Instagram, and as you guys would know, that is how it is. Like when you are on a platform, you need to have a good reach and good engagement, and just not even like even if you're not an influencer, I think even if you're just like a normal person, like you always think about likes and like I wouldn't say engagement as much, but like you do think of like, oh, how many likes do I have and all that. So I thought this video would really at least this video is something that I found so interesting, and I thought, wow, I am definitely gonna do this video no matter what. So yeah, now according to her research or what she said, I think that is very true. It's not just what she said, but I'm pretty sure you guys would also agree to what I'm gonna say is more you expose or more you reveal, more likes you get on Instagram. That's just how it is. Even when like if I am that person and I'm just scrolling down through my Instagram, and if there's a picture of a girl in a bikini, I don't know, fingers would just go and double tap, and I don't know why does that happen, but I think it's because that is true. Like you want to support that person, and the person is putting himself or herself out there, and you just want to support that person. But I just feel like more naked you are, you do get more likes on Instagram, but that's not really how it is. The first thing that I'm going to do in this experiment, which is very important, is the research. You would know, if you have a business profile, you know that there are insights wherein you come to know everything like impressions, engagement, likes and everything. So I'm just gonna go into my insights, and then I'm just gonna filter them by likes that I've received in last 1 year, and I'm just gonna apply that filter. So this is how it looks right now. Now this is the picture that has highest number of likes on my Instagram. Okay, now I don't know why did I get like a lot of likes on this picture. It could be because when I took this picture, I am pretty sure I started this new filter or just new sort of editing that I was trying out, and I think because of that maybe I got likes, or it could be because my legs are showing. Again, you're seeing like what I'm trying to say, like more the legs, more the likes. So I think because of that, and before that I don't think so I have really worn shorts. Maybe I have, but not like this. And I don't know, actually I really don't know. Maybe it's because I was at Tala and I had taken this picture, and probably people wanted to support me on my whatever, or I just think that it's because of the editing, and the editing is amazing, and I received like a lot of compliments when I started this particular editing style on my Instagram. That is what I personally think, but I also think that there are legs, and I also think that it's a full length picture. Again, I'm just smiling, so nothing to do with that thing, like no resting bitch face or something like that. So I don't know what could it be, but yeah, we are just gonna go with these things, like more legs, new editing style, and full length picture. Actually, a lot of people on my Instagram ask me, why do my full length pictures do well? I actually don't know. Even if I'm wearing like a normal regular outfit and I'm not even showing off or like revealing as much, I would still get a lot of likes on my picture, and I just don't understand what it is with full length pictures, but they do well. So yeah, that's one thing that we understood through the research. Now the second most liked picture of mine is this one. Again, I don't know what it is. I think it's because of the crop top, maybe because of the posture. Again, it's a full length picture. Maybe I think my face looks amazing in this. I don't know, it was just taken ghar pe, but it did pretty well. Now the next one, I didn't have any content, so from the same lot of pictures I put this one, and this one also surprisingly did equally well. Like this is also so well. The next picture is me, like full length picture. It's an outfit picture. It's from I don't know, I think I did dress like Sejal video. This is from that video, and this also did really well. And I think I have my face pictures where I'm not even trying, just smiling. I actually smile a lot in my pictures, and I don't really do that resting bitch face, unless I really want to, unless I'm doing like some concept shoots or something like that, then I would probably go and make that face. But most of the time it's just like normally me just giggling and smiling. So this is that picture. This picture did well, I think, probably because of the caption that I wrote like it was a heartfelt caption and I just pour my heart into it. So probably that is why this picture did well. Again, I don't know, I think this is a very regular normal picture. This was just this was taken when I had just colored my hair, so maybe because of that. But this wasn't posted at that time. This was posted काफ़ी time के बाद because I was doing this collaboration with Dove. So for them, and again, like when you're collaborating, those pictures also don't do as well as a normal picture would do. So there are just like a lot of factors that affect, and I don't know, would tell you like why your picture is doing well or no. From the research, we have concluded that I'm gonna go and put up 3 pictures. One being where I'm not at all trying, like I'm not trying at all. So we are gonna see how that picture does. Second is gonna be my outfit picture, because obviously I have put up outfit pictures and they have also done well. And third is going to be like a something revealing sorts. Now to make it or amp it up a bit more, instead of going for a crop top and shorts or just like crop top and jeans, I thought I'll wear a bikini top and shorts just to see how that does. I posted all 3 pictures at the same time, that is 9 p.m. Every day, just to keep it that way. Actually that's like the prime time. So for the first picture that I'm going to show you guys is the outfit picture. Now this is the picture that I posted when I had been to Nasik, like from my Nasik trip. So this is the picture. This is how it looks. It did not do well at all. So I made sure that the picture is full length picture. It is full length picture, but still didn't do well. Again, I'm smiling. And I don't know, and also I'm trying out this different editing style now. So I thought this would do well, but surprisingly this hasn't done well as much as my other outfit pictures have done well, and I don't know why. So that's that. The next picture that I posted was me not trying at all. So this was in a carousel. So the reason I posted it in a series is when you post pictures in series, Instagram shows you the second picture. I think what Instagram is trying to do here is tell you that it's a series and you have to swipe, because people skip that. So that's why. And this was my second picture, okay, wherein if you see, I'm just fooling around. I'm not even smiling nicely, or I'm not even like it is literally me not trying at all. But to my surprise, this picture has done so well. This picture has such great reach and engagement on this picture. I have no clue how did that happen. It could be because the colors are really bright, and yeah, maybe because I'm sitting on a boat. I actually don't know why did this do well. I am very confused, or it could be just, I don't know. And even in my like caption, I've just put up a normal caption saying that new video is up. So again, I don't know, but this picture did really well. In fact, I was not expecting this to do well. I expected the outfit picture to do well, but that didn't do well like as much as I thought it would. Now coming to the big part of this whole experiment is wherein I revealed. So I went ahead and uploaded a picture wherein I am wearing a bikini top and shorts. This is that picture. So to be very honest, this did really well. This is like my second highest liked picture on Instagram right now. I uploaded it like a week ago, and in a week's time the reach and the engagement that I have received on this particular picture is amazing, I feel. So this did really well according to me, and I'm really impressed with how this turned out. So yeah, that was like my little Instagram experiment for you guys. I don't know if this was as interesting for you or no, but it was really interesting for me. I have quite a few outfit pictures which have done well, and then this time when I was doing the experiment, it didn't do well. It could be because I was not wearing the denims, and in this I'm wearing palazzos, or maybe because of that. For the bikini picture, so this is my highest liked picture from the lot, so you would know that the conclusion that we would obviously come down to is that the more you reveal, more likes you do get. But again, keeping that aside, my face wala picture has also done really well. Like if this picture has gotten like 6.5 likes, one has gotten 6,000, so it's like 500 ka difference, but still this also did amazingly well, right? So yeah, I don't know what it is, but so the conclusion is, I guess, if you reveal more, you get more likes. But again, that's not how it is for a lot of people. I know a lot of my photographer friends, when they put out like their work, they get like a lot of engagement, and sometimes when they put out their face onto the profile, they don't get as much engagement or as much likes. So you don't know what would work for you. Let me know if you know what works for you the best, because to be very honest, even before doing this experiment, I did know that my full length pictures do well, and whenever my engagement is sort of going down, I post like a full length picture, so then I get like some sort of engagement. But yeah, this experiment was, I don't know, in between somewhere, because I thought my outfit pictures would do well, but I guess you guys don't care as much about my outfits, but that's okay. Yeah, I think that was it for my experiment. I think Instagram algorithm is, like, to be very honest, I really think it is as screwed up as YouTube algorithm, but it is not as screwed up as YouTube algorithm, because YouTube is like just other level. Like I have been on YouTube for so long, but I'm still not able to figure out how YouTube really works. But with Instagram, I genuinely think that the moment I think that I've figured it out, like Instagram just like tells me, like, you know how it is, like you feel like, oh, your life's going good, and then your life's like, huh, good joke bro, and then yeah, it messes it up. So it's the same way. Like the moment I think that I have figured it out, like I think how I know how Instagram works, that moment only Instagram would change, and like it would just screw my Instagram game. So yeah, but it was really fun to do this experiment. I had a lot of fun doing this. I don't think so you see such kind of videos on an everyday basis, and I thought this was really cool. So if you like this video, then do give it a like, subscribe, share, comment down below if you liked it, and also please press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.